Do you want to design your modern smartphone? Do you want to learn how to model phone case for 3D printing? Then this is the right course to get started. In this class, I will explain how to model Google Pixel Pro 9 from scratch, and we will render 4 variations with clean white backgrounds, and all renders are ready for commercial usage on any online stores. We will see how we can render 4 variations: Obsidian, Wintergreen, Porcelain, and Peony. Hello every designer and welcome. I am Kamel. I am a serial designer and founder of angelstudio.org. With experience over 7 years in the field of product design, I will explain how to design modern product. So this class is intended for intermediate users, and if you are beginner you can still follow along. If you like me and you want to learn new skills and improve your level in Blender, then join now. So let's see how we can set up workspace and gather some references.